In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any piece of text into a clickable link, perfect for documentation, specs, and prototypes your teammates can explore. First, open Figma and load the file where you want to add a link. Make sure you're in the design workspace and that you have edit access to the file. If you're collaborating, it's a good idea to zoom into the exact frame or section where the text will live so your link ends up in the right context. Next, add your text. Select the text tool, click on the canvas, and type the words you want to turn into a link, something clear like View Documentation or Open Website. If the text already exists, just select it with the Type tool. You can style it now or later, but keep in mind that linked text often appears underlined or in a distinct color, so it's easy to recognize. Now, create the link. Highlight the exact portion of the text you want to be clickable. Look to the right-hand Properties panel for the link control, or use the shortcut Command-K on Mac or Control-K on Windows. This opens the Create Link field. It's important that the text layer is selected and that the highlight is active. Otherwise, the link option won't apply to the right range of text. Paste your link into the field. Use the full URL, including HTTPS, to avoid broken links. Press Enter to confirm. You should notice a subtle style change, often an underline, indicating the text is now linked. If your design system has a specific link color, apply it now so accessibility and consistency are maintained. While you're here, double-check for typos, extra spaces, or trailing slashes that might cause issues. Let's preview. Click Present to open the prototype viewer and test the link in a realistic flow. Hover over the text and click to confirm it opens in your browser as expected. If you're staying in the editor, you can also hold Command or Control and click the linked text to test it quickly. If it doesn't work, verify that the correct text range is linked and that the URL was saved properly. That's it. Open your file, add or select your text, create the link, paste the URL, and preview to confirm everything works. Save your file and you're ready to share a clean, clickable experience right inside Figma.